let's talk a bit. I've been having a lot of DM, people sliding into my DM, insulting me, threatening me, talking about Igbos. We have our culture, we have our own religion, we can't take Islam. Islam is not our religion, Islam is not our culture. So okay, let's talk about the culture of Igbo people. Let's talk about the ones I know. Is it the culture, is it the religion that had zero respect for women? Is it that culture that has no value for girl's child? Is it that culture that when you gave birth to female children, you are rubbished, you are like rag, they will treat you like trash? Is it the culture that even if you gave birth to male child and your male child is growing, you'll be scared because the evil uncles might want to buy him because of land and properties? Or is it the culture that when your husband died, they will accuse you of killing him? You have to drink a dead body water, or you have to go to a shrine to deity and take oaths, claim yourself innocent. They will go to the extent of even barbing your head, rubbishing you as a woman just because you are a woman. Or is it that patriarchy, that high patriarchy that women have no mouth, no say, they have no level? Is it that culture you're talking about, you're asking us to come back to? Chair Genti, I'm not done. Is it a culture that when a married woman go outside and sleep with another man and she comes back, she cook for her husband will die? Why the innocent man? Why not the woman that commit the sin? Why is she not the one that will be dead instead of the man? The man is innocent. Is it that culture you're asking us to come back to? The culture that women are rubbish, girls' child are treated like trash, girl child are nothing, girl child have no voice, girl child have no say, girl child has nothing. It's only male child. Even that male child have to battle, have to suffer, have to struggle before he can get what belongs to him. Or is it the culture that when a woman is married to a man and the man dies, the brothers of the husband and umuna, that's the chiefs, they will come and pack everything and leave her with nothing, rubbish her? Is it that culture we are talking about? Because I don't understand the one you're talking about. Is it that one that use people as a sacrifice to pay for some tragedy that is happening in the land? Is it the one that they have to send people to evil forests or to God knows whereabouts just to get some things to come and do whatever and sacrifice and whatever? Is it that what I'm talking about?